sometimes things just don't go as planned. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. So I'm supposed to be up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan by now, but as I said, some things just don't go as planned. While we were driving today, I had a check engine light come on, reduced power, engine reduced power, exhaust brake doesn't work, the whole truck just craps itself. It goes into limp mode, and fortunately I have a an iDash, so I can see what's going on and I can read that code immediately. So I did that, come to find out that it's an injector issue, which I just had an injector issue while we're up in Colorado a few months ago. And and I know how costly it is to replace an injector. Well, after we decided to just go ahead and park here at a Chevy dealership for the night. I'm out here playing with Bandit right now, so that's why I got the blue stick. But we decided to just park here at the Chevy dealership because if it's something I can't fix myself, at least we're right here, and it's a big, huge open parking lot, no one around. So it was nice and easy to just pull right in. After doing a little bit of digging online, I came to find that injector number 4 for my truck, which is an L5P Duramax, it's 2017 and newer. Injector number 4 is a common issue that comes up a lot, where it's not the injector itself that goes bad. Well, it can go bad, and I'm not saying that, I still don't know yet, we're gonna find out tomorrow. But while it's not always the injector, it's often just the pigtail, just the connector itself is bad. So I hopped on Amazon, I have a new pigtail coming, it'll be here tomorrow. There's a CVS right up the road, or excuse me, a Rite Aid right up the road that has the Amazon locker. So we're gonna get that, I'm gonna swap that piece out. I'll show you guys that process of what I'm doing, and hope we're back on the road tomorrow night. I decided to not actually record the process because there's a couple videos online, which I will link in the description below, to this exact problem and someone fixing this exact issue that by itself is a 15-minute video, and I wanted to keep this real short. I will just give you a quick overview though. So like I previously said, the problem was with injector number 4. So I'm here on the driver's side of the truck, and down here underneath this cover are the injectors. So what I had to do was remove my hot side boost tube, I had to remove the fuel lines back there, and then I had to take this cover off. Once the cover was off, all the injectors were visible, and all I had to do was disconnect the plug on injector number 4, which is the second one back. I spliced in the new pigtail connector, reconnected it, taped it all back up, got it all nice and clean, put the cover back on, put the fuel lines back on, put the hot side of the boost tube back on, and cleared my check engine light. Once that was all done, I went ahead and drove up the road about 5 or 10 miles, and I just ripped on it a couple times just to really make sure that the engine was running smooth, and everything seems to be fine. I turned the truck off, turned it back on, checked the codes again, nothing, drove it all the way back, got back, did the same thing, turned the truck off, turned it back on, checked the codes, nothing was going on, so we're good. Time to get back on the road. We'll go to the UP now. One of the reasons I wanted to make this quick video was just to kind of show you guys that not everything always goes as planned, and you just have to adapt to this situation you're in and just figure it out. All right, that's part of RVing, and it's really not that difficult. It's just about having that proper mindset, which is the hard part for a lot of people. For me, I'm just a very positive type of person, so I don't really have that much issue with that. But I know a lot of people do have that problem. But at the end of the day, I was able to pull over safely. I didn't get hurt. The camper didn't get hurt. It's not that major of an issue, I don't think. It's beautiful weather, beautiful sunset, beautiful open field here. I mean, things could be worse, right? Yeah, I'm not at my destination that I wanted to be at, but at least I'm at a pretty nice location. I mean, this is kind of like a nice harvest host, but unofficial. And let's also keep in mind, this is on a travel day that we typically like to leave around noon or 1 o'clock. But today we had some packages coming to my parents right before we're leaving, so we decided to wait around for those packages, and we waited and waited and waited and waited, and then it ended up Amazon failed delivery. It's just, that's just the way it goes sometimes. I mean, we could never have predicted that you know, out of the 20 packages we have sent to us, we don't have any issue, but then the one that we're waiting on to be able to leave ends up being, so, you know, something wrong with the delivery, and it didn't come. And so we waited all day long for no reason, didn't get on the road till 6 o'clock. And again, then had this issue where the truck went into limp mode and I had to get off the freeway and get somewhere safe. But again, proper mindset. Moral of the story is, don't stress out. Don't worry about the small stuff, or, you know, don't sweat the small stuff. You know, you're going to figure it out. You're going to get back on the road. You're going to get things repaired. Whatever happens, it's not the end of the world, right? It's just about having the proper mindset to keep moving forward and not be so upset and distraught by it, because then that triggers all sorts of stuff inside your body, releases different, you know, endorphins, or yeah, I don't know. I'm not a freaking scientist, but you know the point I'm trying to get at. People that are overstressed, they don't live very long, right? So don't stress yourself out. You're going to figure it out. Just take it 1 second at a time and just keep on moving forward.